do your sadhana also. You must be qualified to go back to God, not the cheap thing. But in the beginning, some will say, you chant Hare Krishna, and take prasad, you go back to Godhead. Otherwise, you won't come. The moment you tell so many other things, at once you run away. Say, no, Baba, I won't. Let me enjoy. Another life, I will go. That's right. How many years you have been initiated? 8 years. So you and your wife, no children. You are working, earning money. Yeah. So you are not going to Mangalarti, not doing it? Maharaj. And ultimately, we don't want to go back this life. Why are you taking it? Rascal number one. And do sadhu seva. Why you are not following and you want to sadhu? Yes, I have. Tilak mala everything. And it's fine. This tilak mala and doing us mantra, Brahmin. So it seems like known face in a McDonald's. This is quality. Huh? What can I do? I'm hungry. Excuse. Could be many. Booking travel, this is anartha. Oh, say, no. Anartha is the fourth thing. After taking this, many, 85% or something like that, people found out they're not following. They're breaking out. Following means breaking out. Neglecting, not taking seriously. He cannot make much progress. Doesn't matter, I distributed so many books. That's all right. Are you going to Mangalarti? No. You try. Don't if you any moment can fall down. Do not say. Yes or no? Yes or no? Hello? Yes. You have to do everything is important. Huh? Good.
বড় মন্দিরে অনেক ব্রহ্মচারী কিন্তু সবাই গুরু মহারাজের মুড কি সেটা উপলব্ধি না করে যে যার যার মতো সেবা করতে থাকে তখন একটা বিশৃঙ্খলা সৃষ্টি হয়। এই ক্ষেত্রে মানে কিভাবে মানে সুন্দরভাবে মন্দিরটা পরিচালনা করা যায় সেটা আমি ফিল করতেছি এখন।
হ্যাঁ, তারা গুরু মহারাজের লেকচার শোনে রেগুলার প্রভুপাদের, তাহলে বুঝতে পারবে। সুতরাং যে লিডার তার উচিত নিজে হিমসেলফ উইল বি set up example. And Guru Maharaj said and tell others, what you are doing, that may be okay, but this mood of Prabhupada is this. Politely say, if he still does not do that, this is his matter. He has to face difficulties. Is that clear?
Yes.
Make sense? Everybody, hello?
Yes.
Everybody heard?
Yes.
What is questioning? It's quite possible. Some people go on his own way. But sometimes, depending on time, place, circumstances, they are dealt with. Just like suppose one guy is being something which is altogether cannot do. Naturally, he feels something. So they have to relax some restriction for him because they don't want to lose him. Others may not be treated same way. Is that clear?
Special concept.
Because for the interest of the society, we practically down to earth. Practically.
But not in terms of bhakti.
No. It's the best use of bad bargain. What can be done? Other may say this thing. So many things, it should be this, it should be that. It's not moral, something beyond that. They are the practical side also, for the interest of the society.
But by this, some may also feel discouraged.
Yeah, but then he may be discouraged if he has asked this should be this. Then please, I put you in this position, you do this. This is not purpose. You strongly say, protest. Sometimes this way, some people go, can't understand. It's not practically possible sometimes. You have to relax, consider this. Instead of you go away, you think, calculate what could be the consequence. Better keep him.
sometimes watering down, then
Of course, that also possible. So you calculate and according to work, be practical down to earth.
too much practical work sometimes.
Of course, everything is like that actually. Then this will be this will be this. Make the best use.
Karna Guru told the harmonize.
It's called harmonist. Make proper adjustment. Don't go by argument and all this.
What about to see devotee happiness?
Ideal. And use too much ideal is impossible. It's utopia. Too much ideal means utopia, yes or no? That
Beyond
is
the reality.
Yeah.
Utopia beyond,
Not beyond
beyond the
the
reality. Yeah.
going out of reality. Is something phantasmagoria. Something, but it's called utopia. Something ideal too much. Not possible. It's possible sometimes. Maybe he's if not indispensable, but he's doing great service in other field which others cannot do altogether. So they have to be practical. But time can come sometimes just to take action. If not drastic, but adjust. Send him to somewhere. From there, we can do something. Makes sense. Theoretical, many things can be said, but practical not possible. Some do theoretical statement. Then you say, you are telling me, Acha, you do. He also did something. You telling others, you see yourself doing. You have to remove it. But don't find others. Find your hole. She has got so many holes, he's telling others. Needle has got a hole. He says, you have got so many holes. See there. Tell you what, he has got hole, he sees others hole. Who is saintly, he others see more saintly. One who has got doing, he sees others. Yes or no?
Yes.
Means lot of work to do inside, in that case.
Bhakti-Vedanta Thakur says, Acha, you are complaining about him, this guy did this. He said, this guy did anything good, you can tell. He's not telling. Then he said, you think I am your well-wisher? Better you see whether you have got something. And others good, you say. That will be good. Which he has got some, definitely other, he cannot say, stay in the movement and go on doing. He must be doing something good quality here, which you may not have maybe. But he has got something that you may not have. So better not tell. Whose duty it is, he will see that. Whom you accept. Authority. He knows he is my good evolution. Make sense? Hello?
Yes, Guru.
अल्टीमेट सोल्यूशन यही होगा, टॉलरेट एंड कोऑपरेट करके रहना ही पड़ेगा.
ये क्या कहा?
cooperate करना पड़ेगा.
This is the ultimate saying.
You know that you cannot accept, but tolerate for the interest of the society. That's why I answered that way sometimes. He said, then what I have to do? Like in my case, I would have done this. But I am saying this, in other time, I may say maybe different, depending on time, place, and circumstance. But this time, up to this ability.
And how much the general happiness of the devotee, it has to be considered in establishing still the principle given by Guru.
Huh?
How much?
Guru, when Siddhanta or philosophy or message of Prabhupada is not respected, then Vaishnava becomes intolerant. When Prabhupada instruction is being diluted, or then Vaishnava has to become intolerant. No?
Yes.
And he
Right.
cannot tolerate it. Then he
That is why so many things happen. What happened, I am not going to tell. You may know, you will open your eyes. You dig up, you can find so many things. But don't too much dig so that. Don't dig too deep.
Then there is a
That is
person
Bengali saying. Don't dig too much so that your killer can come. Don't go that far. You know, some they are. Look at it. You tell. Call him. Why is calling? Nip you in the butt. You won't tell so that you can record and tell others. He said this. His gesture is showing. Bullying you. I don't know this. More than that.
And by mind he can tell, by mind he can tell. That cannot be.
I saw in words. I saw. I understand. Take a step, but not tell. He knows this if you tell her. So he's such a better. Same thing. Sometimes subtle ways. When the tiger has no strength, he's sick, and he's mad. He can't get out of it. No strength, nothing. Even Mickey Mouse, kick one rascal. He cannot take tears come. This is history. This is history. I saw. He used to be Shahanshah, whole India's Mughal Samrat. Dikshala. You think I'm Dikshala? That is what you are. Yes. You know where I come from. But unless I go in your Diksha, you cannot get your dal roti, no butter and bread. What is the use of, you are living in the past. That is in the West. Huh? You are living in the past. You are living in the your days is gone. Who will accept your Mughal Samrat descendant? You are now a rickshaw. But I have got money. Without I engage you, go in your rickshaw, you can't get in your even dal roti, bread butter. Oh, yes. Don't tell all this.
It's called full of people.
I don't understand. So, depending on who you are speaking, where, when, you have to consider. In time of this I told, and in I told, now I am saying it's up to you. Some other time, different answer, depending on person, place, time. Yes.
In the past, this also happened in times of international Acharya, that he appointed some leaders, Prabhupada appointed some leaders, and they were misbehaving, and so many devotees left. And sometimes this happens present also. So is it really the fault of the devotees who left just because they were insincere?
It depends on different cases. At different cases. So in general, I don't tell. Everything is there, Prabhupada's book. Ideal question I done. That's why I say. Prabhupada said, I give you this exalted position. It will help you to do your work. Because people see your dress, this, that. But don't take it for granted, qualify yourself. More than that, he didn't say, I won't say, then you will face the music. I won't tell. What Prabhupada said, tell that polite, then he will know. This is called in Bengali, কেউ থেকে শেখে, কেউ শুনে শেখে. Hearing from higher authority, we take it seriously. Guru is saying his experience. Otherwise, sometimes people are giving, he is giving nice toast. He is eating it. They are roasting him. Some told me it's wrong. Remember this. First they are giving you toast. You like to, I like toast. Marmalade, cheese, butter. Later on, they put you in the oven. They start giving you toast, then roast it.
In some place more, in some place more, in some
Yeah.
place less.
Be careful. So don't go to test. Toast. That one, see, be careful. So why you give me toast? Before roasting you, give me toast. Not fast toast. Toast. Roast you and then give toast.
It's only something.
Understood?
If a disciple,
Little, you're getting cold. Be careful. But somebody goes, why are you giving me toast? Some guy wanted call me Sanfona, nice catch, Mark, right? This is advanced. I understood this guy. He has something for me. Send me after that. Say, what shall I do? Advance also will do for me, then he cannot. This is subtle diplomacy, huh?
Politics.
Huh?
Politics.
Politics. Yeah. Also, when there is politics, then bhakti disappears.
Society must be politics.
Huh?
Society, there must be politics.
So there is a big organization. If there is power, power means politics. It implies, otherwise you cannot have power. It is after power. When power gone, yeah, you become complete, then again, mouse or something, meow meow. Stay away from others. Because so much power. But if somebody sees, you can see him, zero compassion. This guy treated me like one was got administration. Very difficult. You cannot keep everybody happy. But at the same time, you get so much admiration. You can get this thing done somehow or other, at any cost. Get others engaged. Doesn't matter what happens.
Risky, brother.
Yeah.
Administration, in the name of getting something done, brother, hurting others. Very
Yeah.
risky.
Vaishnav, maybe Vaishnav.
Somebody, I'll tell the truth, please. I won't. You won't be here then. Means you will be eliminated from this world. And that is what they did. I won't tell the case. Everybody knows. Then what happened? And he also, what he was, so much greatest. Nobody goes to even teardrops. Nobody goes. You want to go to the top? You have to pay the price. Prepared for all this thing. Better try to become your duty. Try to please your Guru as much as you can. Hereafter I want get Julius Caesar, then Antonio, and their things are there. Julia, Cleopatra. Won't tell everything, dot. You have to know. Distance. Always, for Julius Caesar, others, I cannot tolerate. Send some Cleopatra, some sort of. He said, this is not Vaishnava. This is Vaishnava. Because everybody want to go to the top of the ladder. No? I want to be top of the pop. Then, more you become this, more you have very many other. Inside burning. Why not me? Why not me? So drag him down. Together, consult how to drag him down. Yes or no?
Yes.
Unless you belong to some club, they are watching. They have got that group, they have got that group. So you are bereft.
A devotee has no group, he only have Krishna.
That is real devotee. Their number is very few.
Yes.
Yeah?
So one has to save
When-
himself before
When
taking.
dinner goes there, bring the cake. Cut out among ourselves.
Haribol, Haribol.
See, where's the kid gone? This guy took
Already took.
already swallowed. Everything digested.
Already took. By the time somebody.
Other thing is just burning inside it. Holding a grudge. If we can get chance, watch out what this guy is doing.
He said we,
Detail don't want to go.
he said we mustn't dig too deep because we'll find a snake.
Yeah,
But I
snake could be deadly snake, heavily deadly poison. Snake. There is a saying in India: don't dig up too much, and it could be cause your death. You may be inviting danger. Yes, the police say, "Hey, you guy, you want trouble, don't you?" In America, it's like, I saw it. Hey, you guy doing all this thing. You want, you want trouble, don't you? I'm used to so many times hardly.
But in my position, I'm looking at that snake every day.
Erickson.
Every day I'm looking at it.
Yeah.
I can see where the money goes. I can see how some people are cheating.
Dadami buddhi yogam tam, jena manuta. Bhagavad Gita, Krishna is saying, those matchitta matgata prana bodhanta persons, this is called seed verse of Bhagavad Gita, 4 verses. The symptom of a pure devotee in a nutshell, in a capsule. Matchitta matgata prana bodhanta paraspara. Kathantasya mamitam tushyanti cha bhavanta. I will, please. Tesham sattva yuktanam bhajatam priti purvakam. Dadami buddhi yogam tam. I give him intelligence how to handle the case. You do that, then from within you will find like a you're doing job in front of DT or early in the morning, something pop out, some idea. You try, see, consult with Bhagavad Gita. Yeah, I can take this course. This much I can. I don't know whether to help you.
Well, what I'm trying to do is make the system so that it can't.
I must. They asked me, there's in Sanskrit it's called Jai Rakkak Shai Bhakkak.
Means?
one who protects, supposed to give protection. The stork. He said the fishes, look, the river is getting, the pond is getting dry because of too much sun. But I can take you if you faith and faith. And take and put it in where there is a lot of water. But he is taking, they are not seeing, he is eating them up. They don't know whether he is putting them in the another pond or he is eating him up.
No guarantee.
Because he is the relation he can protect them, by flying. But he is they're also his food also there. So he may eat also. They don't know what. Then one turtle, he says, how can I go? I said, later on I do, because when they become mud, almost water gone, I go inside. He said, no, then they will dig up and find you out. Sometimes turtle can go inside mud and stay. What can be done? The two stork came. We hold a stick, bamboo, and you hold in the middle of the mouth. But when you go, but some may be greedy, the farmer may say, look, how this guy is getting out of our hand. He's supposed to be our food. But don't get agitated. Control your sense. Don't get angry. I can call them names. Going. See, look. This guy is very intelligent. The two. One carrying a bamboo stick, and he's holding. He's our food. And so is saying, and he heard, what? I'm your food. You eat it. Moment he said, you hold on. I got him. And those two birds said, we told you, don't get agitated. Now become the hot. Down here, crab last time, say, we'll take. The crab did it. Crabs are, these guys are, he can eat me the food now. They got chunk, he hold his neck and kill those swan, stork. Who take carry. Because he can also eat and he can also kill them. Eat. Very sharp teeth. Now crab.
Cramp.
Thus he died. Everybody he cannot cheat. Huh? So there is a Sanskrit saying, Jai Rakshak, who is supposed to give me protection, he is Vakak. He is enjoying eating up. So be careful. Whether you trust, whether give him benefit of doubt or
Well, life is
risky. Life.
Life is very dangerous, you know.
Huh?
Life is very dangerous. Every step is big problem.
One story with my Gorgovinda Maharaj friend. That lamb.
Which another story Guru said to me. There is the branch of a tree, one man and one monkey is there. And down is tiger waiting. He's telling this monkey is telling, you are our friend. You are animal, I am animal. This guy is human being. He, for his interest, he can kill anybody. He is our enemy, your enemy, our enemy. Push him down so that I can eat him. Monkey is not doing. पता है?
Yes.
तुम बोलो बाकी से क्या हुआ? Monkey won't push. Man maybe push the monkey, na?
Yeah.
But tiger won't eat monkey.
Really? Acha.
Tiger is the only one.
Really?
No. Nobody can.
Then?
The monkey went up.
Yeah. No, then tiger told, you see, I told you, man is not friends to anyone. Also, he pull you. So you just go and pull the
Again
man.
put it down. But he won't do
But
it.
then monkey told that no,
This is not my
he
nature.
can forget his dharma,
Yeah.
but I cannot
I can
forget his
forget.
mind.
Oh my.
He won't put it. He went back again, but tiger cannot get food. Because tiger eat, so God doesn't give him easily food. Also croc. They save, they stash it, hold it, and eat little eat till he get another food. He save it somewhere, hold. And time little eat, again he look for food, till he get another food, then he finish this food. Even I get a human being without eating, he says, look for another food. This guy, one day happened, one in the hole, one guy wake up. Hey, you see, the croc guy cut me, but didn't eat. Now little is injured, he thought he will eat later.
Acha.
But he's not nearby. Somehow or other got up from the hole, then saved his life. Very fortunate.
Sometimes animal they do like that.
Mm.
They fall asleep,
Uh,
then he died. I wired off.
mm,
Immediately he little ran away.
yeah. Fortunate. Very fortunate. Yeah. This is just like in Bible, Aesop's fable, huh? The many story through animal and this that, but you can learn from this how to learn many things. Moral, how to use intelligence. You told that one. The lion is saying, "Do I smell bad?" My wife told me, "You smell bad. Stay away from me." So I'm asking you, "Do I smell bad?" The cat says, some guy says, "No, sir." He understood. He has time. Rascal, beat him up. Sir, this guy is telling lie. I'm smelling bad. Other guy come. Hey, I smell foul. Then that guy said, "No." He said, "Yes." What? Beat him up. He said, other guy says, "If you tell truth, that is also." He told this thing. Hey, I smell foul. Foul smell. Or no, he does not say anything. Tell something. I cannot tell. Why? I have got cold. Rascal, it's a good for nothing. he didn't waking up. So this is you can run this way. Many things are there.
If a disciple doesn't get a chance to get personal instructions from the spiritual master,
Yeah.
how can he go back to Godhead?
Well, his instruction he may not get, but in the book his instruction is there.
Can we follow the book and can go back to Godhead?
He can pray also to the Lord. I am not getting that answer. That is just the right answer. He can pray to Krishna. Krishna knows how much he is surrendered. Saranga Saranagat hoibe ja tar prarthana sere. Vajendra Kumar. So he has to also. Other way there is always alternative there. Huh?
If he follows the general instructions of the spiritual master,
That's okay.
can we go back to Godhead?
Well, it depends.
If he
What
has
do you mean
developed
by general instruction? Definitely he will make some progress, no doubt.
okay.
At least.
It makes some progress.
Of course. Suppose somebody is long time there, they will understand he is making progress, otherwise he is staying. Others could not stay even. Yes? Prabhupada said, tolerate. I find it difficult, tolerate. Find very difficult, tolerate. Find next to impossible, tolerate. If for nothing he is saying tolerate, he will do something. He will also act what he says. He tolerate and cooperate as much as he can. That you have to adjust, make proper adjustment, harmony.
Then there is making advancement is good in spiritual life, but going back to Godhead is something. Isn't it something different? Maybe we will be lifetimes making advancement in the spiritual life, but going back to Godhead, completely becoming spiritual in the world, completely going to spiritual.
It is not something material I am going this place. If you come to the spiritual plane, it is as good as in the spiritual world. Yes or no?
Yes.
If you are in the spiritual plane, as good as somebody asked, Bhupan, is there in the spiritual world the scorpion? You go there and see. You go and then see whether there is scorpion there. It's not like seeing material. Just like, is there in the spiritual world sun, moon? Well, it did not say. Spiritual is complete in itself. It's not that Krishna like us, sometimes hungry, sometimes no. It's not like that. Everything is that way. That is perfect world. This is imperfect. So, seeing imperfect world, don't judge spiritual world. Natat bhasate surya. There, moonlight, sunlight is not necessary. But if it is necessary, then permission there. Is that clear? Ladies and gentlemen, hello. Is that clear?
Yes.
Not the way you want. It is like that. A material experience, you think spiritual. No.
Being
It is, a tree is not staying up. In the spiritual world, tree maybe go from one place to another. Now, can you think of? No. This is all achinta. How can you think you go to a tree, neem people keep? I want one pizza, please. How can he give pizza? Kitchen and all thing.
But still,
That is what Prabhupada said. You can even think at least neem tree, give me Alfonso mango. Or Langra mango. He can give.
this is a perverted reflection.
Perverted lives. No, from perverted lives you cannot comprehend achintata. Achinta kholu je bhava, nothing stokke na jo joy. You can be talking. So you cannot tell how a tree can walk. Then what sort of tree it is? Yes, this is imperfect and perverted. With this, don't try to see spiritual world. Duryodhana is seeing Krishna, but he is not also seeing Krishna because he cannot understand he is God. Yes or no? Some cannot understand. Just like, we gave an example, Kunti Devi also. Now, a little boy is asking, Mommy, Daddy is there in the drama. Huh? And drama all, those who take different role, they are present here. I don't see Daddy because he cannot recognize, he is dressed in such a way. So, Arjuna also, many except Panchapanda, few others, most of them, they don't even, Kurukshetra or other places in Raman Mahabharat, those seeing cannot recognize he is God. Understand? So repeatedly told to Ravan, Ram is Sakshat Narayan. He doesn't. He said, no, his guy is a village like, forest leaf. He may be some king's son. That may be nothing to him. And Parvati says, you go. He is your great devotee, Lord Shiva. Now, Ram will finish him now. She doesn't understand. Go! Wife, sometime, Arjay's husband, she was saying, what can I do? This guy is, rascal is a fool number one. He doesn't understand, he is God. How can he fight with him? He will be finished soon. I understand. I cannot hear him. Why is going to fight with God? Understand? He said, nah, he's all son, top, who's they defeat Indra among anybody except Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh. Still, he don't come to his sense because he's so lusty. He wants Sita. Even his brother, Kumbhakarna said, brother, you should not do it good. Why you take away Ram's wife? Yeah, he should have done. He won't listen. Infatuated, Dharmanda, Kamanda is infatuated with lusty desire. Somebody infatuated with power. Somebody is infatuated with wealth, isn't it? Get carried away. It's true. Dambha, Darpa, Abhiman, Madanda. Taking too much drink, he is not normal. Talking nonsense. Janmanda, Dhritarashtra. Janmanda is also spiritually andha because of his son. Gandhari, his wife said, why don't you chastise your son? He's not acting properly. Because of the attachment to his son. Gandhari, mother, he is not chastising. Mother usually have got a son, but he knows he is not good boy. He is asking husband, you should chastise him. When Duryodhana came, every mother is love for his son, no doubt, but she is also chaste lady. She will tell the truth. So Duryodhana came, mother, give me blessing so that I win. He said, mother, Gandhari says, he is a chaste lady. She said, Jatya dharma tatya dharma. I bless you. Who is following a religious principle, he will win. He didn't say you win. But he said, you come to me, I will touch your body, I am your mother. I touch your whole body. Don't hear anything from me. I gave you birth. So I can touch your body. You are like my child. A big boy, doesn't matter. You come to me without clothes. Then he's coming. Krishna is a politician. Krishna knows which way he's going. He's okay. But Duryodhana, he's shy, he's hiding. What is this? Without, humiliating him. Put on at least something to cover your private part. He carried away by misbehavior. So Duryodhana put on Janya, Lanja. He came to his mom touching body of his son, like anything. She is blindfolded. I told you, don't put on anything, I am your mom. So what? To mom you don't have to that much, feeling awkward. Doesn't matter, you're a big boy now. But to me, father, mother, son is always like a baby. They can say that. So why I find you covered he put on something? Mother, when I was coming, suddenly I saw Krishna. And Krishna told me, what? It is okay going to your mom. At least put on something. To cover your pipe or something, got tea.
What is Jania?
Just that part only. That I mother. Krishna, my God. You finish. You frustrated I wanted to save your life. Duryodhana very, very beat you. It will be all like iron. You won't die. He cannot beat you according to law of etiquette of fighting with club. So he won't, the lower part I can touch, I am your mother. Are you covered it? Oh, what can I do? Krishna suddenly told me like this. Oh my God, you get it put. Came across again. Krishna, he is a politician. He frustrated all my broto I did to save your life. Every mother, how bad may be son, every mother doesn't like to see his son dead. Because son means just nothing but is a part of his body and nothing else. Father, mother.
चले जाएंगे 8 बजे
अच्छा
ठंडा भी हो रहा है ठंडा लग जाएगा
Oh, man.
10 to 8 or 8 to 8.
One small question. Mama,
One question.
they are Tatastha Shakti, no?
Huh?
Yeah, Jivatma is
This
Tatastha.
Tatastha Shakti,
Can-
listen
Can
everybody.
you enlighten me a little more? Like, it's important to understand our nature to remain only humble also. Can you enlighten more nature of Jivatma? The Tatastha, like this. Like, we are very small. Like,
If we take complete shelter of Krishna, then Maya cannot.
okay.
Make sense?
Yes, ma'am.
Is that clear? Ladies and gentlemen, hello. Hmm? So he says we are Tatastha Shakti. So sometimes we are under the influence of spiritual energy. We are safe. Sometimes because you have got a free will, sometimes you know. Let me go. There's mushroom. There's mushroom, very nice. Shall we? Guru is there. He will know. He'll ask, where did you go? I didn't see you. I have to tell the truth. Went to restaurant. What did you eat? Restaurant. There is prasad here. There is a mushroom. What? Then what I do? So this is going to material energy. Under
See, very fragile, very fragile.
yeah. Suddenly, like that. So he got a. So if you take complete shelter of Krishna, then Maya cannot disturb. As much as you, as far as you gone to a spiritual energy, that much also you are away from Maya. But suddenly, something pop up. Maya give you something. And let's go. Just the whole. Oh yeah, Cleopatra. Let us go there then. Nightclub.
One second.
Once finish. Going with the danda, danda become thanda. That's it. Danda become thanda. Huh?
पांडव ने बहुत ज्यादा टॉलरेट किया दुर्योधन को।
English.
Pandavas tolerate too much. Similarly, devotees sometimes tolerate and then tolerate also.
And
Frustration-
cooperate also.
Cooperate and frustration increases.
That is natural. This is the material world. Frustration come. That's why you try to adjust. Everything is there in Prabhupada book. Everything I cannot give you. You know, like a spoon feeding. I'm not a baby. Eat Prabhupada book. Don't mind.
So you're saying restaurant, devotee restaurant then? That is also...
Devotee restaurant maybe.
But mushroom is you cannot.
Like Krishna is saying, Patang Puspam Kokulam. Cider. Cider is apple juice.
Unalcoholic beer.
No, but this brewed. Brewing done. So it becomes contaminated alcohol. Is it allowed alcohol? Oh, demigods taking some juice. You want to become follow demigod? You should follow Krishna. Even demigod, Kubesh two son, father has so on my, don't care anybody. Enjoying. Girls are also forgetting everything, etiquette, clothes, whether they are or not. When it's coming, the girls clever, they don't take too much. Narad Muni hiding. Now we say, this guy, you rascal, you don't know how to, in a public life, how to behave. This much you don't know. You are so degraded. Yeah, become a tree and remain naked. Please forgive us. Okay, Krishna will come and deliver. So from this we can learn. Yes or no? Hello? Yes. Krishna is there. Learn. Now you are doing too much. Done. donation, charity. Learn from, he become little mistake, Brahmin. And he become lizard. You want to become lizard, anybody? Here lizard I saw. Maybe he did something, so the Dham lizard. He did bhakti also and did something, the Dham lizard. I saw here lizard. It's eat up, snake, fish. So shall we today
Yes,
finish
yes,
here?
no, thank you very much.
Say to God, please excuse me. Sadhu, can do something. A train stopped. He won't take him. Why this Sadhu guy is there? And train is not going. Okay, you too.
Yes, exactly.
Blanket Baba.
अरे जय श्री गोस्वामी गुरु महाराज की